description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came from Germany in an instant noodle advent calendar. This is Nissin Germany's Demae ramen soy sauce. You may have, if you're in the States and you've seen Demae ramen, most likely it's coming out of Hong Kong. But yeah, they make it in Hungary for a German. So dropping in the noodle, you get to watch the noodle cook, ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, so now have a little fun with that. How's everybody doing? I am stoked. It's Friday. Good things. Friday is a good thing. And it's been an interesting day thus far. Kinda. I got my new backdrops built, made, done. So when I do a review, I take a picture of the pack of noodles and all the stuff that goes into it, and I do that on a surface under a pair of lights and a camera. And the background that I was using for that, I've been using it for like 10 to 12 years, and I decided, you know, I want to get it was an upholstery sample, and on top of that was kind of a woven black plastic placemat. It was a big square, and over time it's, you know, it's gotten kind of gross. At one point I used that to take my pictures of noodles on. So, but now I, you know, put stuff over by my window and then cut out the noodle bowl itself and then place it on a nice background with a little bit of blur. But back then, yeah, so there was junk on it. I kept cleaning it, but it just finally was like not really all that salvageable for cleaning, so I decided just to go, hey, let's try something new. And I found this company. Well, this company was like advertising for flooring samples, and I thought, man, this would be kind of a neat background thing. It's like wood. And I got the samples. I've used them a little bit up until so this one and the next two, if you're looking at the actual posts, are the last ones that are going to look the way they do currently. They're now going to look a little bit, the background will be a little bit darker. But I ended up getting the free samples, and then they had free shipping on a full plank of the stuff. And then they had a coupon code, so for 13 bucks, I got a 72-inch piece. And our maintenance guy, Vitaly, he was nice enough to come by today and slice one of those planks into 4 pieces. So generally 2 is going to be way more than plenty. But 4, I might this summer decide to go ahead and try to get some black matte, you know, non-reflective paint, spray paint, and do it up and see if I can make it even cooler. So we will see how that pans out. But yeah, I'm excited. I haven't tried using the new surface yet, but yeah. So yeah, that's exciting. I'm stoked. I'm stoked. I got the thing like maybe a week and a half ago, and dude offered to help after I asked him. And he just finally had time this morning. I go down the steps with the kids to get them on the bus. They're like, hey, you gonna be here in half an hour? And I'm like, yeah. So there we go. So big thank you to our apartment complex maintenance guy for helping me out over here. So soy sauce, this is what you would consider a shoyu ramen. I'm curious because it's made in Hungary and it's for the German/European market, how this would differ. It already, yeah, it already smells far different than something like top ramen and soy sauce flavor, quote unquote oriental flavor as it used to be known. That one seems almost to be like a slightly gingery kind of affair. Maybe a little from this, but not so much. They've got a ton of varieties of Demae ramen, and honestly, I think I'm gonna have to hit them up because there's a lot I haven't tried, and I want to try more of them. Anyways, here's the noodle. Very standard Demae ramen type. It's got a nice tooth to it. I did one the other day, so cheers. It's decent. Here's our broth. It's kind of like a very salty soy and sweet going on here. Gosh, I wish I knew where is that bowl? Oh, I'll have to find it. I've got a bunch of these in that advent calendar box that this came out of. Had a ton of them, so. But a while back, Nissin Germany sent me a bowl. Just a white bowl, but sometimes there's something to be said about the very, very basic white bowl. Anyway, let's get her going. Boot her up. Cheese the beef, as it were. Beard the lion. I don't know. Do you want to comb this out a little bit? I think so. There is a term, I do not know what it is, for making the noodle look kind of like this, kind of like raking it over, make it a little straighter. Usually it seems to work better with straight noodle, but there is a term for everything. That is chashu, and we are going to torch this sucker. I kind of like it when it's really well cooked. Sizzly, sizzle, sizzazzle. We need. I still need to get sesame seed. Holy cow! I've got a couple eggs here that I need to use before this weekend. So we have the knife of happiness and jejun. And let's see how that treats us with the egg of, let's see. I try to give everything some kind of name. Yeah, these eggs, I swear, those eggs look horrible. I'm really bummed. This is a, what do you call it? An Eggland's Best cage-free egg. And it looks atrocious. I don't know why, but it does. Add some scallion, some narutamaki, Come on, let go. There you go. A little sesame seed. I really need to get a little more of this stuff. I'm getting low, man. Getting very low. What do you want to do here? I could go with chili crisp, or I could go with chili oil. I'm gonna go with a little bit of chili crisp, I think. Where are you? Sometimes it's a pain to find my little spoon. There we go. I mean, it is a very little spoon, so. But we will put a little bit of this chili crisp. Right. We'll put it right there. Why not? Yummy. It's nice that it's a little bit chewy. I really appreciate that action right there. And rotation has begun. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see will be this. This is Neostar Ramen Delight Spicy Beef. And if you remember the last episode that I did that involved the Neostar Spicy Chicken, you might remember that I really disliked it. So that's what you'll get to find out on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.